Morning, guys. It's December 9th, 2024. So here I got a call from a guy. He's got a gas boiler with 2 zones.
Turn right on.
One of the zones isn't working. I believe he's got zone valves there. I've been there before. I think I changed the thermostat for him. And anyway, we're gonna go over there and we'll test the zone valve and see if that's the issue, or if it's a thermostat issue, or might be air in the lines. But we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure it out for the guy. I got 2 zone valves here. That one's working. This is the one that's a problem. We got 1 and 2. We should have 24 volts. 1 and 2. .22 volts, and then this should pull down easy, and it don't. It's hot here and it's cold here. The head's red hot, so we gotta change that head. Power's off to it. Gotta make sure this goes down easy. Make sure that goes down easy, and it does. That's fine. Not a bad head there. We'll just put a new one on it. We got that red, white, and green. You don't want to touch the red and the white together. I got the power off now, but alright, so we got green is there. This will be white. And red. Alright. Alright. And we turn power on. After 90 seconds, that should come down easy. Gotta give it a minute and a half. 1 and 2 is a 24 volt coil. And then 2 and 3 is just an end switch. So when it energizes, the thermostat energizes 24 volts, and then the common goes from 2 to 3, the common, and at least them 2 wires are going to the TT. That's how it works. I'll give it a minute, we'll see if it works. You just clicked. Yep, see how it comes down easy? That's working now. There it goes. Going up warm. That's what we wanted. Oh, Wayne. New zone head, first floor. So it definitely was a zone head. Thing's still running, huh?
Yeah. Runs well.
Flipping beast.
Runs well.